Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
You're sure you have enough storage?
Yeah.
I'll put him down right now, okay? Stay. I gotta get him to stay. Hey guys!
Go ahead.
Ira14 here, and today, this is my kitty. His name is Tails. He is a full-grown cat, and I'm trying to get him to stay on this thing. And I'm so sorry I missed 4 live streams. I was at a hospital. Yeah, and I was there for a few weeks, so I apologize for missing live streams. I hope you guys can forgive me. So make sure to get the toaster. I'm gonna see for the first time my cat's reaction to this toaster. If I can just get him to stay on this.
Be nice to him, honey.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get him to stay.
So here, watch you do this.
Get him to stay. Okay, he's sitting. Can you get him? Get him ready. Get him. See you looking at it?
Yeah, he's flicking
Like
his
in the
tail.
cat videos. See you looking at it like in the cat videos, Mom.
What's in there, Tails?
Make sure to get everything, okay? I need you to, come on. I need you to get back more and get more to the side. Make sure to get his tail. Okay. And zoom in. Zoom in on the toaster a little.
Oh, he's gonna jump down.
Ready? Stinker.
You gotta point to the toaster like this.
Am I allowed to swear in my videos?
No.
Okay. I'm not gonna say the SHI word only because I'm in videos, and I never really swear in my videos. So that's something I'm gonna avoid. That's why I normally say heck, because I don't want to say H-E-L. I'm not gonna say the last letter, because it's pretty much still swearing, isn't it, Mom?
Yeah. That toaster's taking forever.
It is.
He's
I'm
sitting
sorry,
so
I know
nice.
you need to get out the door. Do you think it's gonna jump down?
He might. Keep petting him.
Oh, you little stinker. Do you think he'll... That
Tails.
little... You little... Can I
What's
say
that?
ship?
No.
People do that. Some people just replace the words. Like, they'll say ship, or for F-U-C, they'll put fudge. So they change the words so it's not bad. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Tails, can you wave? Wave, I'll wave it for you. Bye!
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed polite.
Surprise! Ira14 got swag! And she's gonna start making normal videos. And here are some bloopers. Prize clip! This is for my little sister. Can I get you on camera? This is going on YouTube. Has Male Pale 2005. She started making videos too, so subscribe to her, please.
Actually, I'm thinking about not doing it.
Ah! Frick you!
Frick you too.
Ah, how dare you!
Tails.
Get him out of there. Also, don't swear on here because I'm making videos. And I'd never
We're
swear.
swearing.
What?
You can tell when we're swearing.
Why? Why do people
Because it gives them a
care?
bad influence. If someone wants to be like people start swearing. That's why I started swearing. Because I want to be someone else.
Please, I'm not gonna become famous. Even though it's my #1 dream. What the heck are you even doing, Mallory? That is so mean.
I don't think that's going to work.
Mallory, go. Mallory, I need you to move. Please. Nice clip. This is for Male Pale 2005. She makes videos too. Oh my god. This is a surprise clip for her specifically.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I missed you. I made this specifically for my sister.
No.
Here is my last one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Tails, can you wave? Wave, I'll wave it for you. Bye!
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed polite.
I was just kidding, there's more. Here's my last one. One. The last one. I was getting so mad because the volume kept screwing up. So if the volume is really quiet or you can't hear it at some points, that's because you know, the phone like messed it up. So I'm sorry if that happens. So that's why, you know, I didn't make much videos like this because I didn't know how to fix it, but I know how to fix it a teeny bit now, but it doesn't exactly work completely. Okay, I'm serious now. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Tails, can you wave? Wave, I'll wave it for you.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to